everyone, welcome to Hot Mic, a podcast that talks all about things lifestyle and daily life. With me, Herina Sarulubis, will be joining you for the next few minutes to talk about tips and tricks that can make our life healthier, happier, and more productive. In this episode, we will be talking about lifestyle. So make sure you stick with us. Without further ado, let's get started with my special guest today, with Miss Vidya Ningsi. Hello, Miss. Welcome.
Hello.
So, how are you today?
I'm very good, very nice, and yeah. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you, and thank you so much for you come in this location, and thank you for your time. What your feeling when I invite you to come here?
So actually, this podcast is a very famous podcast that I know. So I'm very thankful to you for invite me today, and yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss. So let's get started. So, Miss, I have one questions for you today. Uh, how do you maintain a balance between work and personal life?
So actually maintaining a balance between work and personal life is requires setting clear boundaries, and I prioritize my tasks and make sure that to allocate time for both work and personal activities. And it is very important to communicate with my colleagues, my family, and about my schedule and to stick to it. And I also make sure to take breaks and time off to recharge my energy.
Okay, it's very. I think it's very important, like they said, right? Okay, next I have next questions. What daily habits or routines do you implement to increase productivity at work?
So actually, I start my day with a clear to-do list and setting priorities for the most important tasks. And I follow a structured routine that includes regular breaks to avoid burnout. And additionally, I practice mindfulness and ensure that I have a clutter-free workspace and using tools like calendars and task management apps to help me stay on track.
Wow, it's very like you care about your activities, right? Okay, Miss. So I have next some questions. Can you share your experience on how you integrate aspect of your work and personal life so that they work in harmony?
Firstly, integrating work and personal life is involve blending rather than separating them, and I try to find synergies where activities from one aspect complement to other. And for instance, I may take a walk with my family and also my friends while brainstorming ideas for work, and it is also helpful to have a flexibility work schedule that allows me to adjust my hours to accommodate personal commitments.
Wow, it's very interest. You can manage your schedule and allow to accommodation, and you can get communicate with other people like your friends or your friends in your job, like this, Miss.
Yeah.
All right. So, Miss, for the next questions, I have how important do you think it's to develop yourself outside of formal work, and what activities do you do for that?
I think developing ourselves outside and of formal work is crucial for overall growth and well-being, and it keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Personally, I engage in activities like reading, taking online courses, and participating in community events. And these activities not only broaden my knowledge and skill, but also provide a sense of fulfillment and relaxation that enhance my work performance.
Wow, it's very challenges for you, Miss.
Yeah.
Okay. For the last questions, I have a question. Can you share the most activities the time manage that manages you to use to organize your work schedule and personal activities?
One effective technique I use is time blocking, where I allocate specific time slot and for different tasks throughout the day, and I also practice the Pomodoro technique, working in focus interval with short breaks in between, and prioritizing tasks using the and software and metric helps me focus on what's important and urgent. And lastly, I review my schedule regularly and adjust as needed to ensure balance and efficiency.
Wow, it's very like you can handle all your activities, right,
Yeah,
Miss?
yeah.
You make up schedule and others.
Yeah.
So, okay, and the end. That's it, folks, for our discussion on lifestyle in this episode. And hopefully, the tips and tricks we have discussed can help you live a better everyday life. Thanks for listening. And then to help me, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and write this podcast on your favorite platform. See you in the next episode. Stay engaged, stay healthy, and stay happy. Goodbye.